Hi, this is Natalie. Today I'm going to review my new item. It's explosion box card. I made it with yellow paper as a base here and the mulberry paper flowers with two birds. It's very cute. When you open it up, ta-da-da! Beautiful flowers. And this one I made it for birthday, and you can make it for any occasion with different paper and different flowers, different colors. There's a paper belt on the side that you can remove and expand it. You can put more messages here or photos, and in the back also have enough space to put lots of photos. It really depends on your imagination that what you're gonna add here, or you wanted to decorate more. Let's look at it closer. It's beautiful. This is a perfect gift for someone that are allergic to flowers. These flowers will last for a very long time as soon as you don't pour liquid or water here. If you like it, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.